Join me as I challenge myself to stay hydrated for a whole week using only cucumber detox water. So today, we're talking about detox water, specifically the amazing benefits of cucumber detox water and how it can help us stay naturally hydrated and refreshed. There's just something about sipping on a cool glass of detox water on a hot summer day that's incredibly satisfying and rejuvenating. When it comes to staying hydrated, I think we all know how important it is, but sometimes it can be a real struggle. I mean, who hasn't experienced the boredom of drinking plain water every single day, or the difficulty of getting enough fluids when you're on the go? And let's be real, sometimes water can just be so bland. I know I'm not the only one who's guilty of not drinking enough water because it's just not that exciting. But the truth is, dehydration can lead to some pretty serious health issues, like headaches, fatigue, and even skin problems. And on top of that, many of us also struggle to find a hydration method that works for us. Whether it's trying to remember to drink a certain number of glasses a day, or dealing with the hassle of carrying around a water bottle, it can be tough to make hydration a priority. But what if I told you there was a way to make hydration not only easy, but also delicious and nutritious? Cucumber detox water is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help to detoxify and hydrate our bodies. Not only can it help to flush out toxins and waste, but it can also provide a natural energy boost and even support weight loss. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to make and incorporate into your daily routine. So, let's take a look at how you can make your own cucumber detox water at home. The first step is to slice up a few fresh cucumbers and add them to a pitcher of water. You can also add a few slices of lemon or lime if you like a bit of citrus flavor. Then, simply chill the mixture in the fridge for a few hours to allow the flavors to meld together. One of the great things about cucumber detox water is that you can customize it to your taste preferences. If you want a stronger flavor, you can add more cucumbers or let it infuse for a longer period of time. And if you want to get really creative, you can try adding other ingredients like mint leaves or berries to give it a unique twist. The key to getting the most benefit out of your cucumber detox water is to make it a habit. Try to make a fresh pitcher every day and keep it in the fridge so it's always ready to go. You can take it with you on the go, or enjoy it at your desk or during a workout. Incorporating cucumber detox water into your daily routine can have a huge impact on your overall health and well-being. Not only will you be staying hydrated and detoxifying your body, but you'll also be supporting your immune system and giving your skin a healthy glow. So, that's it for today's video on the amazing benefits of cucumber detox water. I hope you guys will join me in giving it a try and making hydration a priority in your lives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite detox water recipes. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more hydration-related content and healthy living tips.